Hi everyone, I'm Carla, founder of Carla's Au Pairs, and I have traveled to 98 countries and counting, and many au pairs have asked me some questions, asked me for advice, travel tips, and I hope that I can share some knowledge that would help you on your journeys. So, 2 items I always have on me in my handbag wherever I am, doesn't matter what city, what country, is first of all, easy, lightweight travel umbrella. I've gotten caught in the rain many a times and it's not pleasant, so I always have a light, small travel umbrella that I can keep on me just in case it rains. Second thing is tissues. Tissues obviously can have various purposes, so I've always have a pair of tissues on me. You never know if you're going to miss something on yourself, and you never know if you're going to find toilet paper in public toilets. And I think my tissues have really saved the day many